today's lesson, we're going to use three tools. Our base 10 blocks with hundreds, tens, and ones, our place value chart with hundreds, tens, and ones, and place value discs. You will only need hundreds, tens, and ones. Pause the video and get these tools if you don't have them already. Let's look at today's problem. 361 primary school families were coming to a UWC event. 215 middle school families also came. How many families altogether came to the UWC event? Let's start with our base 10 blocks and our place value chart. Go ahead and build this problem now and pause the video and give it a go. Okay, let's see how you did. I know that 361 primary school families came, so I need 300s and 6 tens and 1 1. But then 215 middle school families came, so I need 200s, 1 10, and 5 ones. How many families all together? Now I want to put these all together. I'm going to organize myself so it's really easy to read. And I can see that there were 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 6 ones, so 576. Now we're going to try this with place value discs using the same problem. Using your hundreds, tens, and ones, go ahead and build this problem with the place value discs. Give it a go. Okay, let's see how you did. 361 were primary school families. So here's my 300, my 6 tens, and my 1 1. So here's 6 tens and just 1 1. And then I had 215 middle school. So here is 200, 110, and 5 ones. Now I can put it all together when I have them all there. So 361 and 200, 110, and 5 ones. When I put it all together, I can see that there are 500s, 7 tens, and 6 ones. 576. Let's go ahead now and draw this using a part whole and a 100 tens and ones chart. Pause the video and see how you might draw these models. Let's see how you did. I know that the two parts were that I had primary school families and middle school families, and I wanted to know how much that was all together. So there were 361 primary school families, 215 middle school families, and I was trying to find the total. Well, on my hundreds, tens, and ones chart, I can draw those 300s. Now, I did it with place value discs, and I don't want to have to draw all these. I could do it like this, where I have 300s, but that takes a really long time. It's not as efficient. So I'm going to be more efficient this time with my chart. And I'm going to just do dots for the hundreds. I had 300s, just like my place value discs. I had 6 tens and 1 1. That was the primary school families. And then for the middle school families, I can even label it. I had 200s, 1 10, and 5 ones. Now let's put it all together. There were 6 ones, 7 tens, and 5 hundreds. So in total, there were 576. Let's think of a number sentence or an equation that would match this. I know that I had 361 primary school students. I might have to scoot it over a little bit. 361. And 215 middle school, and that gave me a total of 576. What symbols can I use to represent this problem? Well, 361 and 215 together is the same as 576. Let's try another one. 106 students have an activity on Monday. 223 students have an activity on Tuesday. How many altogether have an activity on Monday and Tuesday? Use your place value chart and base 10 blocks to build this problem. Pause the video now and give it a go. Okay, let's try it. I know that 106 has no tens. There is a 0 in the tens. So I'm not going to put anything in the tens, just 106. 223 were on Tuesday, so I need 2 hundreds and 2 tens and 3 ones. Now let's put them all together. I can see that I have 300, 20, 8, 9, 29, 329. Let's trade our base 10 blocks now for place value discs. Go ahead and build this problem with place value discs to check your answer. Pause the video now. Let's see how you did. I had 106 students on Monday. And then I had 223 on Tuesday. If I put those all together, I have 329. Let's go ahead now and draw our part whole and our 100, 10s, and 1s chart. Pause the video and draw this at your own table. Okay, let's see how you did. Well, we had students on Monday and Tuesday who had activities, and we want to know all together how many. So 106 on Monday and 223 on Tuesday. Again, I don't want to draw a big square in my 100s, 10s, and 1s. I want to be really efficient. So I'm just going to draw a little dot for my 100 because it's in the hundreds place. So I had 106 on Monday and 223 on Tuesday, so 223. And if I add those all up, I can see 6, 7, 8, 9 ones, 2 tens, and 3 hundreds is 329. What number, sentence, or equation makes sense for this problem? Well, 106 were on Tuesday, or Monday, excuse me, and 223 on Tuesday, which is a total of 329. What symbols could I use? 106 and 223 is the same as 329.